Okie dokie. You're live now. So questions 1 and 2 you do by yourself. Question 3, the symbol for true population proportion is which of the following? And that's just a third one.
Yeah, it's just P. There is no P school, is there?
I don't think so. Not that we've learned yet.
I saw that one. It was P stop. I don't even know anymore. Okay.
For the next two questions, suppose n equals 100, p equals 0.25, and p hat equals 0.10. Question 4, the requirements for constructing a confidence interval are satisfied. Let's see.
So I think for the confidence interval, it has to be n p hat is greater than 10 or greater than or equal to 10. So then you do 100 times 0.1, and so it'd be equal to 10. So that would be, that requirement would be correct.
Oh, I thought it was like asking, because we don't.
I can't hear him.
Me either.
So this one's 25, so that one's met, and then this one is where's the stupid thing? Oh.
Okay, so then it's N and P for the hypothesis test. So that one won't be met because it'd be 25. So it'd be false.
I think they're all met. Because when I did the N times P, it's...
For number 5?
No, I'm on number 4.
Oh, okay. Yeah. For number 4, they're met. And for number 5, I don't think they're met.
I don't know. I can't even remember.
So for the hypothesis test, it's N times P. And then for the confidence interval, it's N times P hat.
Oh.
Do you remember that now?
Yeah. Yeah. So for 5, you don't think they're met?
No, because N times 0.25 is 20. Oh, yeah, that's never mind. I was thinking less than.
I always get so confused with the stupid, like, 31. No.
Yeah.
You used to it being 30.
I don't know if we should, like, wait for Luke or... Thank you. Are you there, Charity?
Yep.
Okay. I think we could probably just move on, and then when Luke comes, we can just catch him up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like how his internet is if we wait for him.
Oh, he's back.
Oh.
Oh, and he's gone. Okay. Question 6. A study of first-degree murder trials was conducted in another state. A random sample of 60 people on trial for first-degree murder was taken. For these, 45 of the defendants were found guilty. The P hat, the point estimate and proportion of first-degree murder defendants who are found guilty, round to the nearest 3 decimal place. So P hat is, what's that equation?
The P hat is, so it would be 60, or it would be 45 over 60.
Right.
Right?
Yeah, that's right. So 0.75.
Okay. I don't know. I hope Jared like withdrew from his classes. Like W's would be better than failing.
Yeah, I know. I wonder if he's just taking the quizzes and everything, but just not having participation points.
How much does the participation like count for?
They're worth 2 on each of these quizzes that we take together. So then, hold on, let me
So-
just.
We need to determine the margin of error.
Mm-hmm. So for that, we have to find the upper and the lower bound.
So we can just plug that into this.
Yeah.
I love this stupid little thing. We should have this forever. What was the null hypothesis?
There wasn't a null.
Oh,
Hi,
it's a
Luke.
miracle.
No,
Hey, sorry about that.
you're good.
Oh my gosh, I've been really trying. Okay. So for 4 and 5, sorry, you guys are probably like on 13.
No. So for 4, we got
Let's
true,
see.
and for 5, we got true.
Sounds.
Where do you go?
Can you guys hear me?
Now I can.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
you out for a second.
Sorry, have you guys done 6, number 6?
Yeah, so it's just 45 divided by 60, so we got 0.75.
So 0.75.
Yeah.
You did 46 divided by 60.
Yeah.
I thought it was 45 divided by 6. Oh, no, sorry.
Wait, I did 45 divided by 60. Did I do it wrong?
Oh, okay, 45. I thought you said 46.
Oh, no, 45.
Okay.
I-
Great night.
I was like, what?
And 7.
We're doing 7 right now. So right now I'm finding the 95% confidence interval, and
Oh,
then
cool.
you have to find the upper, and then you find the margin from there. It's a lot of work. Yeah.
Yeah, no, plug it into the thing, and then
Wait, what are you plugging it into?
you can just plug it into the universal data thing, the Excel spreadsheet thing that they give you.
I didn't know they gave that.
Ooh.
You guys didn't see this little thing that they gave you? You can use it on the tests and everything. It solves the confidence intervals for you.
Oh, sorcery.
Wait, where was that?
Book.
Oh.
Like, if you go to your book and like on the index at the top, this how to solve this, like how to solve problems with Excel, and it
Mm-hmm.
will give you this little Excel part to download.
Oh.
And then you download it, and it makes it so much faster. Like,
Nice.
Well, I haven't done that yet, so I was just doing it by hand.
Longhand. Yeah, I got the formula for the confidence interval.
all right, for the margin of error, I got 0.11.
Let's see.
I'm
And
so
do you
sorry.
just Excel the sheet?
Yeah, use the Excel sheet. So go into your book. Like, if you go into
Oh,
the book,
okay, yeah, Z star square root of, okay. So our P is what? P is,
P hat is 0.75.
what is P?
our P in this is 45.
Okay. 45 or 0.45? No, P has to be then 0.75, right? 0.75.
P hat is 0.75.
That's the same thing as P right here.
The P is 0.45 is 0.45.
Oh, P is 0.45. I thought you said 45. I was like, that seems like a big number. P times 1 minus 0.45. N is
60.
60. Our Z star is 1 point what? 93?
1.96.
96. Okay, so my margin of error, I got 0.126.
So, did you download the thing or did you just do it by hand?
I just did it by hand. Did you get a different number when you did download the thing?
What was your upper and lower confidence interval?
I haven't done that just yet. Let's
Because
see.
I minused it from the upper and lower. I minused the lower from the upper and then divided it by 2.
Oh, that's how you got your margin of error?
Yeah.
I'm just formula from the book. The M equals Z star times the square root of the P times 1 minus P divided by N.
Check this really quick.
Yeah, I got 1.095, so 1.112.
For the margin of error.
Yeah.
Dang.
I don't know. I solved the margin of error using this. Like, I did the homework quiz before this, and I solved the margin of error doing it the way it showed me, and I got it right. So,
Yeah, I trust you.
Yeah, so what did you say you got for margin of error?
but if you watch the movies, they said that if you use like Excel and then you plug it in by hand, you will get a different one, but both answers will be right.
Yeah.
Because yours was 0.112, wasn't it?
Mine was 0.1095. So, but it rounds up to 0.11.
Yeah,
I
mine was
got
0.1.
what was your answer, Charity? Like your full answer?
My full answer was 0.11.
Oh, it's just 0.11. I got 0.126. Okay.
Like we could both see which one does better. Like,
Yeah. I'll keep mine just in case, and then you keep yours, and
okay.
Wait, what did you get, Luke?
I got 0.126.
Oh, okay.
Or for question 7.
Yeah. Okay, so for then question 8, I got the lower bound as 0.604. 640, sorry.
Yeah, I got it 0.640 too.
Okay. And
How
then
did you guys? Sorry, how did you get that?
so if you look on your book, Luke, there's a equation for the confidence interval and for the lower and upper bound, and it's P hat minus Z star square root of P hat 1 minus P hat over N. And that's how you find the lower bound. And then the upper bound is that same equation, just P hat plus Z star.
Okay. Right. So that was the lower bound was P hat minus Z star. Okay.
Yeah. And so for that, I got 0.640.
That makes sense. Yeah.
And for the upper bound, I got 0.860.
That's what I got too. Are you good, Luke?
So yeah, I'm just gonna use my margin of error. Just in case, but I'm sure you guys are probably right. But I'm just
Yeah,
gonna
I'll
do it.
submit it before you do.
Okay, just in case.
Okay.
Well, yours is the 0.75 is our p hat, right?
Yes. So.
Okay.
Question 10. If you increase the sample size from 60 to 80, what do you expect to happen to the width of the confidence interval? I think it'll decrease.
Yeah, I
Is
agree.
right.
Okay. To conduct a hypothesis test for one proportion, two requirements must be met. Suppose p equals 1/2. What is the smallest n can be so that both requirements will still be met?
Oh my gosh, I can't stand this.
Yeah.
So is it 10 divided by, so 5 then?
So
it has to
With
be
20.
above,
Sorry, 20.
greater.
yeah. Yeah, but it also has to be met for the other one too.
Oh, yeah. Let's see. So,
Oh yeah, so that one for 20 it works.
okay, so 1 minus p. What did p we say was 0.5?
Yeah.
So it's 0.5 times 20. Yeah. So 20, however you say that in Spanish.
Beats me.
It's 20.
20. Ooh, that means large, right?
At Starbucks, yeah.
And Starbucks, the 20 ounce.
Orange mocha frappuccino.
Okay, so number 12, it's the same thing, but P equals 1/10. What was that?
Can't stand these stupid ones.
It was 100 then?
Yeah. That's what I got.
Okay.
Are you good, Charity?
Yep.
Okay. So, for the water quality study in the reading, about 60% of
Intervertebrate?
water quality indicators have historically been associated with good health. The researchers suspect that water quality in the area has decreased. They conduct a hypothesis test using the significance level alpha equals 0.05, which is with the following hypothesis. P is 0.6. So hypothesis test is satisfied if 80 times 0.6 is greater than 10. So it's true.
That is 38 divided by 80. So 0.475.
Yep.
Find the test statistic.
Wait, are you guys on? What are you guys on?
15.
You're on 15? I missed 14. Sorry. I was like,
Okay.
out on my end.
So 14, you just do 38 divided by 80 because it gave us the x is 38 and the n is 80. P hat is just x divided by n.
Okay.
Did you get 48?
I got 0.475.
Yeah, sorry. For some reason, I thought I had to round it to 2. I don't know where my head was.
You're good.
Okay, and so now we have to find the test statistic.
So p hat minus p.
Yeah.
So p hat. So what's the p then in this case?
So the P is what the null hypothesis, an alternative hypothesis give us.
So it's going to be the 0.6.
Yeah.
So we're going to have a, wait, shoot.
So it's,
So we'll have the negative number then on top.
0.475 minus 0.6.
Negative 0.125.
What? Oh.
Wait, I'm confused.
Are you doing this
How are-
on the Excel sheet?
Me?
No,
No,
Charity.
No, I haven't. I can do it on the Excel sheet, but
Okay, because for the test statistic for this one, I got negative 1.946.
I got negative 2.282.
Okay, well, one of us did it wrong. So did you do p hat minus p, then the square root underneath of p1 minus p over n?
Yeesh.
Okay.
Yeah, so I did the 0.6 times 1 minus 0.6. That's in parentheses or whatever. I got 0.24. I divided that by the n, which is 80. I got 0.003. I took this.
Oh, I see what I did wrong.
Okay.
I subtracted 0.6 in my head, and then so I did 1 minus the already subtracted.
Oh, shoot.
Negative 2.28.
Yep. Negative 2.282.
Yep.
Sweet. And the p-value.
wait, negative 2.28.
Yeah.
Yeah, at the end. There's another 2 at the end.
So wait, I'm out of it. So 0.28.
No, it's negative 2.282. Sorry. Did you catch it that time?
Yeah, I did. So
Okay.
negative 2.282.
Yeesh.
3 2s.
Yeah. What's the p-value? Is that just the 0.6?
So I'm thinking it's asking for when we use a probability applet.
Okay.
So, and if the question asks if it's less than 0.6.
ESPN.
So I got 0.0112.
Yeah, 0.0112. Yep.
Yeah. So it's technically 0.011.
So sorry, you plugged which one into the probability applet?
So I put negative 2.282 into the probability applet.
Okay.
And then
one area.
you shade to the left.
Okay.
Yep.
So 0.0112 is what you guys got.
Yes. Yes.
0.01 would be the answer.
So we're supposed to round to 3, so it's 0.011, isn't it?
Right, yeah. So since the p-value is lower, we reject.
Yeah. All right, we have significant evidence to conclude that the water quality
There is sufficient evidence to conclude that water quality in the area has decreased. Okay, I'll submit it.
So that was the last one. On 18 is D. There's sufficient evidence.
Yeah.
Yeah.